Hey, I'm Helen Anderson. I'm here with the Body Shop today, and I'm going to be showing you how I do a smoky eye whilst talking about self-expression. Today, I'm going to be using the Own Your Naturals palette. Start with the lighter shade, and then you work your way down. I'm going to go with this guy here, give it a little tap, and then on we go. Self-expression is just putting on the outside what's on the inside without the fear of judgment. I'm going to go with a slightly dark shade. I'm just going to put it in the crease, working across. You just need to surround yourself with people that are supportive of you being yourself. We're going smoky, so we're going dark. So this lovely brown shade here, angle it and bring it up to almost kind of create like a point. I'm gonna be using the brown liquid eyeliner. Just taking it from the middle. It never looks identical, but they are sisters, not twins. So I'm gonna finish up the eye look with some mascara, the Happy Go Lash. It is 99% ingredients of natural origin. My dreams for women in terms of self-expression are wear the looks they want to wear the makeup they want to wear, and just be themselves. This is my final smoky eye look, done.